How to change city in DiDi app. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can change city in DiDi application. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is to log in into your account. Alright, so once you're logged in, move to the top left corner where you can see three horizontal lines and then click on it. But before I go further, I must let you know that DiDi whenever you change your location, perhaps you relocated and all, the major way to change your city is just by putting on your location services. Now once you put on your location services, Didi would automatically provide a map showcasing your current location and places that are close to you, and then by the time you change location as well, this would also be affected. So that's a major way. So ensure that your location services, your location settings is turned on. And how do you do so? Go to the top part of the screen and pull down your notification bar. Then you can see the location icon. Ensure you click on it, and then once it's turned on in your phone settings, grant Didi the permission to access your phone's location, and then that change should be effected. But if you want to do it the manual way, click on the three horizontal lines. Then the options displayed, click on settings, and then click on my profile. And then once you've done that and you're brought to your profile page, you can see your mobile number, your phone, and all. Ensure you effect all of this. Then you would go back to your settings page, click on settings, click on favorite places, and here you will see all of the places that you've added already. So to change it, you can just click on add home address. Now, if I have not added any address initially, but if you had, you will see the option edit. You will see the pencil icon also on this page. Just click on the pencil icon of the particular address, and then you'll be able to edit it and change it the way you want. The same thing applies for your work address. Just click on the pencil icon and then you'll be able to change and edit it. So that is basically how you can change city on the DD app. It is simple, so try it out today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.